Android development company, Android development services. Android development companies specialize in creating applications, apps, for the Android operating system, which powers the majority of smartphones and tablets worldwide. These companies typically offer services such as mobile app development, UI/UX design, quality assurance testing, and ongoing support and maintenance. Here are some notable Android development companies. 1. Fueled. Fueled is a renowned app development company with expertise in creating innovative and user-friendly Android apps. They have worked with clients ranging from startups to Fortune 500 companies and have a strong focus on design and user experience. 2. IntellectSoft. IntellectSoft is a global digital transformation consultancy and software development company that offers Android app development services. They have a team of experienced developers who specialize in building custom Android apps for various industries. 3. WillowTree. WillowTree is a leading mobile app development company known for creating high-quality Android apps for clients across industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail. They focus on delivering user-centric solutions that drive business growth. 4. UpInventive. UpInventive is a full-service app development company that offers end-to-end Android app development services, from concept to launch and beyond. They have a team of skilled developers, designers, and strategists with clients to deliver impactful Android apps. 5. Y-Media Labs. Y-Media Labs is a digital product agency that specializes in mobile app development, including Android app development. They have a strong focus on innovation and have delivered successful Android apps for clients ranging from startups to enterprises. 6. Dogtown Media. Dogtown Media is a mobile app development company that specializes in creating Android apps with a focus on emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, and blockchain. They have a proven track record of delivering cutting-edge Android apps for clients across industries. 7. Mind Inventory. Mind Inventory is a top Android app development company that offers custom app development services tailored to the unique needs of each client. They have expertise in building feature-rich Android apps that drive engagement and deliver value. 8. Constant Info Solutions. Constant Info Solutions is a leading software development company that offers Android app development services along with web development, e-commerce solutions, and more. They have a team of skilled developers who leverage the latest technologies to build scalable and robust Android apps. 9. CleveRoad. CleveRoad is a mobile and web development company that offers Android app development services to clients worldwide. They have a team of experienced developers who specialize in building native and cross-platform Android apps tailored to the client's requirements. 10. Appster. Appster is a full-service mobile app development company that offers Android app development services along with iOS app development, web development, and more. They have a team of skilled developers who work closely with clients to deliver successful Android apps. These are just a few examples of Android development companies, and there are many more companies out there with expertise in creating high-quality Android apps. When choosing an Android development company, it's important to consider factors such as their experience, portfolio, client reviews, and pricing to ensure they are the right fit for your project.